Hope it's going well for you. Just excited, fired up. Here, this friend's getting food and lunch. Plus, I get gas too. Feeling good. And I just want to talk about alkaline water versus alkaline versus lemon water. Which one do I prefer? Lemon water, because lemon water alkalines your body, and which is lemon, which is acid, which can clean out your body and stuff like that, which is a lot of benefit. Lemon water or lemon water will just detox your body, keep it alkaline 7.0, and which helps balance your gut health and stuff like that. But anyways, it's acidic. Lemon is acidic, but actually help with alkaline the body. But your body still needs enzymes to balance your digestive system. So the body with the enzymes will pH balance to 7.0. Anything above that, you're just anything above pH 7.0 or higher, it will damage your digestion. Why the alkaline water is not good for you for a long term period of time? There's a customer from Vegas been drinking alkaline water every single day for the rest of her life, and it damaged her joint pain and mess up your digestive system. You cannot reverse the joint pain or the walking, because the alkaline water is really bad for you. There's no science behind alkaline water. By the time it's alkaline, it loses the pH level already. It becomes acidic, and people think it's healthy for you. No, it's not healthy. Alkaline water is bad. Those alkaline water is all a profit, all about money making machine. It's all about making money, but you don't know the long term effects. It's a money machine, money grab, gimmick marketing thing, stuff like that. Like, it doesn't matter if it's a Kangen water, Enagic, or Life Isonizer. All those a water filter like alkaline water is not healthy for you. Anything that's over 7.0, those alkaline water, is bad for you. You do not need those stuff in your body. Why? Because you cannot reverse those pain anymore from walking anymore. You can't reverse. You'll end up in a wheelchair. So alkaline water is not healthy for you at all, and it'll mess up your digestive system. It won't break down anything. It'll block your digestion from iron, zinc, metal, and stuff like that. It's gonna mess up your digestion. It's not gonna break down your digestive system. I have a couple customers drinking alkaline water. It mess up their stomach up. They feel sick to the stomach, and I told them there's no science behind alkaline water. Just slap it with a different label, patch it on top, and stuff like that. As long as you're drinking regular water, just filter water, distilled water, just boil it, make sure you kill all the bacteria. Water is water. As long as it's a 7.0, water is fine. But I will never suggest alkaline water. Alkaline water is just bad. Pure bad. It's just a money machine. So don't listen to those gurus on the internet. All those health experts, do not listen to them, because it's all about money, money to them and stuff like that. So I will never drink alkaline water. I drink those alkaline water, did not help me with digestion. It made it worse. Just feel funny. Made my throat feel weird too. Those alkaline water, I'll never drink water. Alkaline water, I will drink regular water, lemon water, or baking soda. Baking soda actually helps you alkaline your body, but you only could drink that on an empty stomach, because it has calcium, sodium bicarbonated, which has calcium in the baking soda. You only could drink that in an empty stomach with the enzyme, because anything you take with calcium, it has to be an empty stomach away from your meal. So will help you alkalinize your body. Baking soda or lemon water, those two I recommend on the empty stomach with the enzymes, which you're gonna feel great, alkalinize your body to 7.0. So stay away from alkaline water. So the winner is lemon water. So hope you learned something from this video and just giving you value. I gotta get back to making phone calls and talking to more people about health. And we're in a recession right now. We're in tough times right now. People are getting laid off. Health is bad, and we need to go out there and just help as much people I can. So hope you enjoy this video. Give me that thumbs up. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and have a wonderful day, everyone.